Hey, boy, your ass funny as fuck. We got you gonna record your ass. Another day. Look at that. I about to say beep 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 next. Fuck. Huh?
That boy say when he came in.
What'd he say?
When that boy came in the store.
I forgot. He said some funny shit though.
That boy said
You.
I went to the wrong store.
Yeah.
Yeah, I came in the wrong store.
That boy funny as fuck.
There's 6 motherfuckers in there and there's only 2 people to drive through. Beep beep. I gotta drive through. Beep beep. They're not gonna let you in there. I mean, they ain't gonna let you. Boy, you crazy. If I can't stand up in this bitch, I'm gonna be pissed off, dude.
You might as well go in now.
Hey, you see that, boy?
You can go in now, nigga.
Nah, I ain't going off the money and shit. Beep beep. Let me that truck come out, boy. Beep beep. I put that shit on Facebook. He trying to embarrass a nigga.
Bro, I'm gonna burn his ass.